Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing Trevi Court Unit 4913. This is part of the non-golf series of terrace condos available here at Treviso Bay. This is the Bellini floor plan, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,200 square foot. Let's walk inside and take a look at this wonderful home and point out some of the upgrades here. As you walk in, you'll see that there is a Ring doorbell right up front, which was added on by the owners as an upgrade. And when you come into this unit, on the left side here, this is your master bedroom. It's got upgraded laminate flooring in here. Full king size suite. You've got his and her style closets here. There's one there, that's the smaller of the two. And then here's the more the walk-in style closet here. And then we're going to turn our attention directly around to the bathroom here, where you have the commode, the single sink, and then you've got a standalone shower here. Now coming back out, directly across from the master is your guest bedroom area. So again, the carpet was removed. They added the laminate flooring. And this piggybacks just off the guest bath here, which has your single sink, the commode, and then combination tub and shower here. Now coming back out into the main hallway, you've got the laundry section right here. So you've got a full-size washer and dryer along with some additional storage up front. And then we have our main living spaces here. So in the Bellini here, you've got a dining area, dedicated dining space. You've got your kitchen overlooking the great room area. Then you also have an eating kitchen area, capitalizing on the views in the back of the lake. So here's your main great room area and kitchen. This owner here has put a workstation desk as opposed to putting a place to eat here. And that would really be because you've got an awesome lake view right here while you're either sitting having your morning coffee or doing a little bit of work. You've got full stainless appliances here that come with this unit. Again, here's your great room area. The main draw to this place obviously is going to be the views. And here you have an awesome view of Trevi Court. All right, guys, so this home right here is being sold turnkey furnished. That means everything that you see in this unit comes available. Not only the furnishings, but also everything from the pots, pans, forks, spoons, knives, the whole deal. This is going to be new to market here, and it will sell fast. If you're interested in this home, give us a call at any of the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.